Jai Hind everyone. I am here with class 6 mathematics, chapter number 1, knowing our number. So here, first of all, we learn about natural number. What is natural number? So any counting number that starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes so on, they are called natural number. Number which starts the sequence which starts from 1 and it goes 1 2 3 4 and it goes so on, they are called natural number. So counting number, that is 1 2 3 4 5 and so on, are called natural number. But if I wrote, instead of this sequence, if I wrote 0 1 2 3 4 5 and it goes so on, then this sequence is called, this counting number is called whole number. This counting number, the counting number which starts from 1, that will be natural number, and counting number which starts from 0, that is called whole number. That is called whole number. Next part is symbol used in comparing two numbers. There are different symbols we used while comparing two numbers. This denoted for greater, this sign denoted for smaller, and this for equals to. To understand this, let's take an example. 7 and this side 5. So this part will be our left and this will be our right part. So we see only left part and we'll compare with the right one. So in left part 7 is given, we'll compare with the right one. Then we find that 7 is bigger than 5, or else we can say 7 is greater than 5. So we put here greater sign. Since 7 is greater, so we put greater sign. Same way 14 and 34. So in between these two, while comparing, which symbols we can put? So we see the left part is 14. Left part is 14. So 14, it is greater or smaller. So we found that 14 is smaller. So we put smaller sign. This is how we can compare two numbers and we can put symbols according to their given digits or given number. Next part, successor. What is successor? So in mathematically, when we add 1 to a given number, then we'll get the successor. Or next way, if I write sequence 1 2 3 4 5, then my question is these 3, what is the successor of these 3? If question will be there, then successor of 3 will be 4. Successor of 4 will be 5. Just we have to add 1, then we'll get the successor. Let's take one more example. What is the successor of 49? What is the successor of 49? Then we add 1 out here, so it will be 50. So successor of 49 is 50. Same way in predecessor. Next one, predecessor. Predecessor, we have to subtract 1 from a given number, or numbers comes before. In successor, number comes after. So before means 1 we have to subtract from the given number. For example, 49 is given. So let's subtract 1 from it. then it will be 48. This 48 is the predecessor of the given number. Like one more example, what is the predecessor of 79? Then let's subtract 1 from it, then we get the predecessor. We have to subtract, we will get the predecessor 78. The predecessor of 79 is 78. So whatever the number comes after, that will be successor, and before it will be our predecessor. Now next, greater number and smaller number. How we can form greater number and smaller number from the given digit? Formation of greater and smaller number from given digit. So formation of greater or smaller number from given digit. Suppose digits are 5, 7, 8, and these are 3 digits, and we have to form greater number or smaller number. So how we can form the greater number, how we can form the smaller? So greater number can be formed by arranging the digit. In greater number, we write the bigger one at first, then follow on by the smaller one. This is how we can form the greater number. So similarly, smaller number, how we can get? We'll write the smaller one followed by the smaller number. So 5, 7, 8. So this 3 digit 5, 7, 8. If we form the greater, we'll get 875, 875, and smaller one we will get 578. So 578 and 875. First concept. Second concept is about 0. Suppose the digits are given 7, 0, 8, 9. So there are 4 digits. So these 4 digits, greater number will be 9, 8, 7, 0. Smaller number. First will be the greater, then smaller, it will be followed that way. So smaller is 0. So 0, we are not allowed to write 0 at first. So whatever comes after 0, that we write at first. So what will come? 0, actually, if we write like this, 0, 7, 8, 9, then this will be a wrong format. This 0 should not be written. We are not allowed to write 0 at first. This is wrong format. So correct format is, first we have to write whatever number comes after 0, that we have to write at first. 7, then 0, then 8, then 9. The smallest number is 7089, and the greatest number so formed is 9870. So this is just an introduction for exercise 1.1, and whatever the questions will be related, whatever the question is related with this topic, we'll do in our copy. So thank you.